History just happened. 2 days ago, the world's first mass shipment of humanoid robot workers left the factory. Not for a demo, not for a lab, for real jobs. Hundreds of robots, $113 million in orders. This is not a drill. Chinese robotics company UBTECH just shipped hundreds of Walker S2 humanoid robots to actual factories. BYD, Geely, Volkswagen, Audi, Foxconn, they're all buying robot workers now. And get this, these robots can replace their own batteries. The robot walks up to a charging station, swaps out its dead battery for a fresh one, and keeps working. No human needed. That's 24/7 operation with zero downtime. Let's talk numbers. UBTECH secured $113 million in orders this year. They're targeting 500 robots delivered by December. But that's just the warm-up. By 2026, 5,000 robots per year. By 2027, 10,000 robots annually. And here's the wildest part. Humanoid robots jumped from 10% of their sales last year to 30% this year. The market reacted fast. UBTECH's stock price climbed 150% in 2025. Who's buying? Major auto manufacturers are going all in. BYD, Dongfeng, Geely, FAW-Volkswagen, Audi, BAIC, they're putting robots on assembly lines right now. Even logistics giants like SF Express and tech manufacturers like Foxconn are deploying Walker S2 across their facilities. One data center in Zhejiang just signed a $22 million contract for these robots. This isn't future tech anymore. It's happening today. While Tesla talks about Optimus and everyone debates robot timelines, UBTECH just shipped the army. Real factories, real workers, real automation. The humanoid robot era just started and most people missed it. Want to stay ahead of the robot revolution? Visit MyRobot.shop, your source for the latest robot news and reviews. The future is here. Don't get left behind.